Hello folks, Luke Simons with you, back to the Basics 101. Out here in the beautiful Badlands. Today, we're gonna do little fencing tricks. What are we doing? Just putting wire on a T-post, but like everything, there's tricks to the trade. Now this is called a longhorn, and I used to think a longhorn was kind of ugly until I started doing a lot of fencing. And then I realized a longhorn, rather than twist this, you only need really 3 twists. Rather than twist this down to here to nothing, you left yourself some wire. Now you can work with this. When you want to restretch, you have the longhorn to work with. Longhorn to work with, instead of this here, which is no fun at all. Fencing toolbox. Have yourself a good hammer, plier, fencing wire, wires for T-posts, and good staples. A good staple is vitally important. Everybody thinks fencing is just simple. Like everything, there's nothing really simple. There's tricks to the trade. Today I'm going to show you how to use these wires. This will be elementary to some of you, and to others it'll be like, oh, that makes sense. Take your fencing pliers, set it right there. I know a lot of people count these. Well, just use your fencing plier. It works really good. You can use a hammer as well. With my fencing plier all the way up to the other wire, I have that in place. I take the horn of my wire, always pointing up, always pointing up. The horn up, never this way. I'll show you after I pick this one up. A lot of people will do that. Don't do that. Don't do this. Always keep your horn pointed up. That wire is coming down. It's pulling down. Gravity works. We don't know how it works, but it works. So always point your horns up. Grab your other horn, like so. Quick twist. You're saying, why didn't you do anything with that other side? Hold your horses. Again, I have my gauge. Pop this on, pop my horn through, open, close, twist. Grab the one that fell on the ground. Hold that. Then just grab your wire, pop it on, and I'm going slow for the film here, but you can really make this work. Now you have these horns out here, and they're pretty loose. I'm going to show you how to tighten that up in 3 seconds. Your horn, just take your plier, pop it up one time. With that one trick, putting all 4 on, 5, I wouldn't suggest a 3 barbed wire. With that one trick alone, will save you a lot of time. I just bam, 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 bam. The horn is pushed in. I'll zoom up. That's just from a hammer. My fencing plier. see that? It's loose, and that's the way you want it. I've seen some people staple that all the way. I mean, just, you know, hammer it straight down. Don't ever do that. You want it loose. That way, if you have to tighten this, it will just loosen and go straight through. Loose as a goose. Now on our braces, we always put a complementary staple. And that is just one staple on each one of our braces. And actually, I think I even have it on all the wood ones here too. This is just a oil field location here that we're fencing in quick. And that one little staple, ranchers really appreciate. I know I appreciate them. Sometimes you'll be riding, you'll have to find a staple. Sometimes you have to go all the way home to find one stupid staple. Here, you have one right there. Well, thank you guys for watching. And ladies, about 11% of you are ladies. And about 93% of you are Americans. I don't know if they mean the continent or just the United States of America. Don't forget about our big giveaway. Our big giveaway is happening. Your name will go in the jar if you leave comments and if you hit that thumbs up button. Very much appreciate that. And for you old timers that have been with this show for some time, I know you're saying, Luke, don't even put my name in the jar. We leave comments anyways. We want to support you. Hey, I want you to win these prizes. I really do. I really, really do. There's a handful of you that have been with us from the very beginning, and you guys know who you are. And I very much appreciate it. And to all the new people that are commenting, we want you guys to win. I think we're going to continue to do this. It really is helping the show. In fact, we're spiking in numbers. So that's awesome. Very much appreciate you guys doing that. Hey, I better get done. It's going to get dark here in about 3 hours. And just remember one thing, folks. For every mile of road, there's 2 miles of ditch. Happy trails.
Thanks for watching. Happy trails. You come back now, you?